Central's top star to watch, Miss Julie Ann San Jose.
Hello! Hello po.
Julie Ann, first of all, everybody's obviously so excited that you're here. Thank you very much for being on
Thank you so much for having me here also.
It's on our 5th anniversary special.
And happy anniversary po pala, Showbiz Central.
Thank you, Julie. Of course, they're very excited dahil malapit na ang birthday mo.
Yes.
Your 18th birthday, no less. And so, we all want to know, what are your plans for your debut?
Actually, sa debut ko namang parang simple celebration lang gano'n. As in, parang walang kotelyo namang gaganap. Kasi parang bihira na talaga yung gumagawa ng gano'n. So parang I want it in a different way na, yun, party lang. Tapos I'm gonna have to spend my time with my family and friends. And also, yun.
Pero bukod sa partying yan, I know that you're also planning a really big concert the day after your birthday.
Actually, it's parang a Thanksgiving concert for the fans. So yun, it's gonna be on May 16 sa Hard Rock Cafe. And tickets are available at Team Manila MOA and Trinoma and Vans Glorieta. So I hope you guys watch out for that.
Okay, of course, you don't want any spoilers, pero marami kasi ang mga nag-tweet ng mga fans mo and they're all hoping that they see this on your birthday concert. From Mika De Los Reyes, sabi niya, I wanna see all members of Sugar Pop sharing one stage. How possible is this, Julie?
Pwede naman po mangyari po yun. Pero, yun, pinagdidesisyonan pa rin po namin kung ano po yung mga possible na pwedeng maging concepts nung bawat segments ng concert. So, iyon po.
Kayo ba in touch pa rin kayo? Ng mga
Naman
members?
po. Oh,
That's
we're
good.
texting and calling each other naman.
Pero I think ang most requested thing ng iyong fans for your birthday concert is na maging escort mo si Elmo Magalona.
Oo naman po. Oo naman. Kung papayag din po si Elmo and hindi naman po ako makakahindi.
Sa tingin mo ba makakahindi rin siya sa'yo?
Siguro po, kasi we're friends eh. And siguro, hindi naman po siya makakahindi. Kasi, ayun, since tandem na po kami and partners naman po kami.
Alam mo, everybody knows by now that you got your first taste of show business, Julie, sa isang reality singing contest right here on GMA, sa Popstar Kids. Pero for some reason, hindi ka pinalad nung sumali ka back then. Bakit, Julie, even back then, you already had this fighting spirit and you already had this belief in yourself at hindi ka na-discourage?
Alright. Kasi po, parang nung bata po kasi ako, as in sobrang hilig ko na po talagang kumanta. So parang yun po yung naging stepping stone, kumbaga, para maipakita ko yung talent ko sa pagkanta. So, yun nga po, before, hindi nga po ako nanalo sa Popstar Kids. Pero, I was about to quit na nga pa talaga. Pero, ayun, dumating yung break. So, parang ginrab ko na din. And ayun, tuloy-tuloy na siya.
And I'm sure all your fans are so glad that you didn't give
Yes
up,
po.
Julian.
And of course, I would like to thank all my fans and all my supporters. Wala sa akong pagsuporta po sa akin. And of course, kay Lord po for giving me all these blessings. Yun.
Pero ang isa pang suporta na I think kailangan mo at this time, because I was reading your web page, your website, at naikwento mo nga doon na parang when you were starting out, one of the persons who was discouraging you was your own father from entering show business.
Opo, as in sobrang ayaw niya talaga ng showbiz ever. Pero since nandito na nga rin po ako ngayon, parang he's starting to like this also na although medyo nakakapagod and mahirap talaga. And parang may lesson learned na talaga na in this business, you've got to be strong and tough.
So he's proud of all your accomplishments naman, Julie.
I would like to believe so.
Is there anything you want to tell him right now?
Of course, I wanted to thank my dad and of course my mom, my sisters for always being there for their support and love. Yun. So I'm really, really grateful and blessed I have them.
At ito na nga yung hindi ko malimutan about what I read about you, Julie, na you said you were making so much effort at one point and you weren't being recognized or appreciated for it. After all these awards, every year, Julianne, all these fans who love you and support you, ito na ba yung inaasam-asam mong recognition?
Yeah, of course. Now it's really an overwhelming feeling na natatanggap ko po lahat. As in, sobrang blessed po talaga ako. And thank you so much.
And we are so happy to see your rise, Julianne.
Thank you so much po.
Congratulations to you and in advance, happy birthday.
Thank
Good
you.
luck on the concert. We hope the
Thank you
fans
po.
get what they want. At eto naman si Sweet for more. Hi, Sweet.
Salamat, Pia! At again, advance happy birthday! Miss Julianne Sanose, isa po ako sa naniniwala sa talento ng batang yan. Twitter at MyJobs. And May is Julianne Sanose man. Samantala, kasama ko po ngayon the Hawaiian Punch, Brian Viloria and Miss Luis de los Reyes. So, Brian, you first. I heard you have an upcoming fight on May 13. So, how's your preparation for it?
Preparation's been perfect. I'm just here to do my job, and that's to get a win away from Omar Nino. So it's
There, yeah. So, go for the win. Good luck.
course,
So,
thank
why
you.
don't you invite our Kapuso out there to watch that?
Please come out and watch my fight on May 13th at the Inars Arena this coming Sunday. And you guys are gonna have a great fight. So please come out and support and enjoy the show.
Well, the whole Philippines will definitely be rooting for you, Brian. Good luck, ha?
Thank you.
At syempre pa, Luis, kamusta naman ang The Road to Hollywood?
Yun na nga po. At sobrang excited na po kami dahil this week, May 9 po ang red carpet premiere ng The Road sa Hollywood at magaganap po yan sa ArcLight Cinemas in LA. So sa mga kapuso nating taga LA, sana po makadalo kayo sa red carpet premiere. And sa May 11 naman po ang regular showing sa US and sa Canada ng The Road.
Bongga.
Opo. At habang nag-red carpet premiere po ang ibang cast ng The Road sa LA, dito po mag-showing ulit siya.
Oo nga, balita
Opo.
ko, ipalalabas muli sa mga sinihan dito sa Pilipinas, mga kapuso on The Road. Napanood ko po ang pelikulang yan. Napakaganda. Panoodin po ninyo. So, sino-sino mga kasama mo na pupunta doon na cast?
Unfortunately, hindi po ako makaka...
so sila Marvin, di ba?
Opo,
Sino pa
si
yung
Kuya
mga nandun?
Marvin, si Kuya TJ, si Ate Ria,
Yan.
Alden, and Derek ang makakasama
Ayun
nila.
naman. Oh. So, nako, punta kayo dyan sa kanilang red carpet premiere. At nako, mga kapuso natin sa Amerika, regular showing. Di ba nakaka-proud? Isang Pinoy movie sa Hollywood, irregular showing on May 11.
May
Ayan.
11 po yan.
On the road po, syempre, payadog sa inyo ng GMA Films. Samantala, sa May 7 na po ang bagong action-packed drama, Korean novela, nagkikising sa inyong hating gabi. Take note, yan po ang Chuno. Weekdays po yan dito sa GMA, 12:30 a.m. to 1 a.m. Di ba? Ang bongga naman ako. Gusto kong pasalamatan. Syempre pa ang bench, si Dr. Smanin Pai Calayan ng Calayan Synergy Center, Hair Wash Salon, Doc Jeremy Ventura, Joey Samson for my outfit na may nagagawa pang itim. At tonight, I'll be at Clowns, Quezon Avenue. Magkita-kita tayo dyan, mga kapuso. Masaya dyan. Samantala, mamaya makatutukan po ninyo ang aming report na di umano'y suntukan na inkwentro nila Claudine Barreto, Raymart Santiago at broadcaster Mon Tulfo. Naku, tutukan nyo yan. At syempre, sa pababalik ng Showbiz Central, Jean Garcia sa Story of Your Life. Thank you, Brian.
Thank you! Happy anniversary!
Thanks. Good luck.
Kanina lang, Raymart Santiago, Claudine at Montulfo nagsapakan sa airport.
Ito, ginanon ako, tapos sumipa, ganon.
At tinula ko siya eh. Sabi ko, huwag mong kunin ito. Tapos sinuntok niya ako, hindi siya tumama.
Ito ang pinaka-grabe. Sabi ko, ano nangyayari sa'yo? Ayan oh, sinipa, maga-maga yung dito ko.
Sa The Story of Your Life, ang mga pagsubok bilang aktres at ina ni Miss Jean Garcia. Ilalahad, live na live.